Hi guys, my name is Liza. Welcome back to my channel and I'm really happy to see you here today. So in this video, I will show you pocket option platform and all the settings that you need to know before you start trading. And also you can open pocket option right now, open this windows right after me and understand for yourself what is pocket option and how to work with that. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this video. So let's get started. So guys, here is our pocket option platform. I already fill it with my email and password and click on this button. Also, if you don't have an account on pocket option yet, you just do registration, and after that you also have your own account. So here we click on the bottom trading. We have a quick trading real account, demo account, shares trading real account, forex real account, demo account as well, MT4 and MT5. So let me show you how it looks like. Actually, we don't use it on our trading session when we trade, but you can also try it for yourself, or if you want to trade by yourself as well, you can try to trade on Forex, MT4 or MT5 as well. But as you can see now, the market is closed for me because I'm in another country and the time is still not here. So here we can see a demo account, for example, of Forex MT4, and we have $20,000 here, and we can just practice with that money. And here's Forex MT5 real account. Here we can click and choose the currencies, cryptocurrencies, for example, commodities, oils, stocks, and also here we can choose our favorite ones. So it's actually really easy to understand. Here's the shares trading real account. Let's also click on that and look how it looks like. You can see it looks like almost the same. And also we have shares trading demo account, but as I already told you, we don't use it on our trading session, so you don't actually need to trade on this shares or Forex MT4, MT5. Too difficult for us. Thank you. Next. So let's come back to our trading real account. So we click on finance. Here we see deposit, withdraw, history, cashback, promo codes, and my save. So we can deposit our money here and also withdraw. Then profile, here we have trading profile, our profile, security, and trading history. You can also click on this button. And on the market, we have the market. Let's click here, see what we have. So here we can see some purchases as well. James Lottery, you can read more details about this, but actually I don't really use these things here. Here we can also see our achievements of your profits and everything like this. It's actually one of the account that I trade. I have several ones, so this is my trading account just for the video to show you everything. Here we also have support charts, so if you have any problems you can text to them. So let's come back to our real account, and also here we have a bottom help. Here's the support service, guides, and tutorials. By the way, it's a really good thing, and not everyone even saw this bottom. So here you can read everything about interface, profile, verification, finance, demo account, real account, social trading, tournaments, and everything like this. Registration as well, interface, how to use all of this. And here you also have a trading strategist inside the platforms. You can see how to use it, everything step by step. It's so useful, and not everyone even know about these guides and tutorials on the platform. So here is also Forex tutorial in glossary, but we don't even use it actually. And here's the video tutorials, how to start trading, how to use social trading, and how to verify your account, for example, because you always ask me this kind of questions. Everything on the platform, everything is here for you. So let's see here. Here we also have signals, right? But I don't really recommend to use the signals. Here you can see how many times people copied the signals. And you can see on that and decide for yourself if you want to open that or not. Here we see a social trading. You can choose any other trader and trade with them. but I hope you will choose me, right? So here we have express trading. For example, here you can see that here's a trade for 10, 7 seconds, for 5 seconds, and after that will end, it will open a new one. Here is tournaments. You can also find it good for yourself. For example, participation is just $1, but you can win $100. Here is pending trades. You can put all the details that you need and open the trade, for example, 2 hours later. And here is hotkeys. You can activate them. And for example, with Shift W, you can open a trade or something else. But actually, I don't use it, and it's better to use just your computer with that. So here is, we can change the language of our platform, what's convenient for you. Here is the settings, sound control. You can click on that and you will hear when you will open a trade or something, you will have some sound. You can change the theme of your Pocket Option account to light, for example. Tooltips, but I don't really use it. Here you also can choose signals, analytics, gems lottery, but if it's not convenient for you, just don't click on that. You can also optimize the chart and it will look kind of different, but also I don't really use it, so yeah, it's okay. And the time zone, you can click on this bottom and it automatically will change your time zone. And you always ask me if the time zone is important when you trade with me. No, it's not important. It doesn't matter when, where are you. And here you also can have Islamic halal account if you want it. Actually, I know it was kind of fast, but I hope you can understand everything I said to you. So actually the platform is really easy and you just need to click on all of the bottoms and just find something for yourself. But actually when we trade in my VIP Club channel or in main channel, you don't need to click on all of these buttons. You just need to change the time of your trade, the amount of money that you put for one trade, currency pair, and also time for your candles. That's it. Actually, you don't need to change anything else. Also, you can click on the stars and you will see your favorite currencies above your chart, and it will be more convenient to choose them between your trades, for example, because you need to open every time but it's for someone who trade by yourself, because when we trade on my VIP Club channel, we usually trade only on one currency pair. So here we also have cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, but we use only currency pairs, so I also recommend you to use that. Here we also have a line chart, candle chart types, bars chart types as well, and Heikin Ashi. I think you already know it. We trade on candle chart types, and I really recommend you to use that one because it's giving us more information, but you can also choose for yourself what's more convenient for you. And here is also the time frames for our candles. So we can see that this candle, for example, is only for 10 seconds. Let's change our chart types to candles again because it's Heikin Ashi right now. So for example, here is the time frame for our candles for 30 minutes. So every candle is for 30 minutes, and when it will expire, this 30 minutes, the new candle will begin. So here we also can see our chart for 7 days. For example, 1 day here is D1, 4 hours, 1 hour, H1, you can see it, M30 is 30 minutes, and M10 is for 10 minutes. So yeah, but here you can also enable a timer, and you will not see how many seconds till the end of this candle, but I recommend you to click on the enable timer so you will see it. Here we also have our favorite indicators. You can choose it like this and then change the setting in this indicators for yourself to analyze it more clearly. For example, like here, you just click on that button and that's it. Here's an inputs and styles. You can change the colors here, for example, and here's the numbers of your, for example, here short period, long period, and EDK. So here is the same inputs. For example, we choose our period, click on the button save, and that's it. Here it is. So if you want to delete your indicator, you can click here, or you can click on this button and delete all, and you will delete all the indicators even if you have 5 of them. Here is our tools for understanding and analyzing the chart more. For example, for drawing resistance or support levels, I always use it, but actually I use only horizontal line, vertical line, and rate. That's it, but you can also use it for yourself. So for example, like this, just an example, support, resistance level, and ray line. So it gives us an information where the chart will go, but we draw it by yourself, so it is not an indicator. And about this bottom here, we can use 2 charts or even 3 charts at the same time. I had a video about this strategy, and for example, on one chart you will have one cryptocurrency, and on the next chart you will have another cryptocurrency, and you can open 2 trades at the same time on different charts, and you will see the result. So it's kind of convenient if you trade with 2 currency pairs at the same time. Here you can also change the time for your trade, for example, for 30 minutes, for 1 hour, or for 4 hours even, or for 5 seconds, but better not to use a 5 seconds strategy. Here you can also change the amount of money per one trade. You can change it like this, or just write it by yourself using these buttons. And here we can see our payout, plus 92%, for example, on this currency pair. And if we will do a trade for $26, we will have a profit of $49. So guys, actually that's it, but of course you need to open your pocket option account by yourself and click on every button that you see and realize for yourself how all this is working. And you should remember that the only key is practice, practice, and practice again. You know, you should feel like this is a game. It shouldn't be for you work or something like this. You know, when I trade or when I do videos for you, I feel so excited. I feel like, wow, I want to do it. It's just like more like my hobby than my work. So you should also have this kind of mindset to become successful in this area. So I recommend you to practice on Pocket Option with me. Watch my other videos about strategies, and also text me in the comments what do you think about Pocket Option platform. How is that for you, convenient or not? Maybe you tried another platforms before. Text me in the comments. It will be really interesting for me to read it. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, put the likes here, and I'm waiting you on my trading session, and see you soon. Bye bye.